In your laundry room, we're going to be inspecting your washer and dryer for any kind of damages, and we're also going to inspect the function of your washer and dryer, as your dryer is a ductless system and it may be a little bit different than you're used to. Now, inside your dryer, you're going to have your lint trap, which all dryers have, and these should be cleaned every single time they're used, as it can actually cause problems with your dryer if it's not cleaned properly. Below your dryer, there's another filter that will need to be cleaned every 5 washes. In the top left-hand corner of your dryer, you're going to find a slot for your condensate tank. Now, the condensate tank will need to be emptied every once in a while, and your dryer will notify you when it's required. To the side of your washer and dryer, located on the wall, you'll find your drain and your water shutoff for your washing machine. It's important to note when you're not using your washing machine, you may want to turn off your water shutoff to avoid any possibility of leaks.